Hello friends, today we learn how to register for Microsoft certification examination. After that you need to search VUE/Microsoft. Then click on this first website, Microsoft. After that continue to login. Then new page will be open. Here you need to enter your email ID. Then next. Here we have three options. I am going with second option. Approve with mobile. Check your authentication app. And no. Then profile will be open. After that you need to go to new page. Then search for your exam name. I am searching AI 900. Then click on first website. Scroll down. Schedule exam. Here you need to enter your name as per your government ID. Last name. Click on tick box. Then save. New page will be open. Then address, city, country, India, state, Maharashtra, Maharashtra, Maharashtra. Then postal code. Then enter your number. Here India. Then email ID. Continue. Submit button. Three options for examination. I am searching online. You must have four things. What is your preference language for exam? I am selecting English. Then next, required information mark with yes. Have you read and you agree to the Microsoft credential program? Yes. By clicking yes, acknowledging that you have read both agreements. Yes. Yes. Next then. Online exam policies. You need to read all this. Select on click box. After reading all these documents, select click box, then click. Scroll down. Must read each and everything before agree for these policies. Then agree. What is the language you prefer proctor to speak? English. I'm selecting English. Then next. Confirm your preferred time zone. Confirm your preference time zone. Yes. Then select date for your exam. Time. Take a slot. I'm taking slot, check time, book this appointment. Check exam name, then payment method, add voucher. We provide all types of IT vouchers. If you want, you can directly DM or message on our YouTube channel. All types of IT vouchers are provided by us. Here we enter the promo code. Then next, almost there, submit. Here the process is done. Your appointment is confirmed.